If you want to learn how to make a wedding website on your own, check out this video with Squarespace, and you can do it.
The first thing that you want to do is you want to go and get Squarespace, and there's a link in the video description and you can click on it, and then all you have to do is click on Get Started. Now you want to choose what type of website that you want to make. Since we're making a wedding website, we'll select that and click on Next, and then we can skip this section because we don't have any of those options for our website. And then we want to choose a template. So click on this button, and then all we're going to do is just scroll down, and you can see that you have all of these different options. So you have more down here. And what I'm going to do is just come up here. I'm going to take this one and click on it. You're going to see a preview right here. You can see what it looks like on the different devices. So on the mobile, this is what it looks like. Looks fantastic. And also on the desktop right here. If you like the color scheme, just leave it. You can also check out the demo website by clicking on this link or choosing another template down here. Once you select the template that you want to use, click on Start with this design. And now you're going to see the Squarespace dashboard where we can set up our website, and you can see that you can personalize the header, the logo, customize the brand if you want, but this is a personal wedding website that you can make. And down here you can get a custom domain. You can do this later since we're using the free trial right now. And then once your website is ready and you want to publish it, you want to click on this button and then sign up with Squarespace and everything. So over here is the dashboard with all these different tabs. If you want to go into the website, you would just click on this link. You have products, services, all these other options, even scheduling and email campaigns, contacts. But for now, all we have to do is click on Edit Site. It's going to open up the page builder with Squarespace, and you can see right here that this is the entire home page. And if you want to edit this, you do have some buttons at the top over here. So you have the site styles. Again, you can see what it looks like on the mobile device and also the desktop. And then you can click on the edit button right here. That's going to open up the page builder. And now when I hover over these different sections, you'll see the blue box that we can click into. And then we can customize the section, whether it's the text or the image right here. So you can see when I hover over this, we have the edit section. Just click on that. And then you can change the size of the section. But again, this template is already really professionally made. So maybe we just want to change the background image. Then click on background. And then right here, you can just replace this by clicking on this and then uploading your own image. So you can upload your own wedding photos or engagement photos right here. And then if you wanted to change any of the colors for this section, you would do so right here. And in each one of these, you can edit the section, and then you can also change the layout. You can swap or move anything up and down, and even duplicate any of these sections. So right now we're in the second section, and all you would do is just come in here. You can click into it. You can drag the stuff around, place it wherever you want. And then if you just want to change the text, just come in here and you can see how easy it is. So I'm going to add it back. But if you have to undo or redo anything, it would be over here in these two buttons. You do have all of these styling tabs and buttons right here if you want to change the colors. And then again, you can go into each of these and you can just click on the pencil. That's going to edit the item or the section. You can add a link. You can also pin this, and again, you can duplicate or delete any of these sections. If you want to see the layers of the website, you can click here, and then you can see that this section has two different sections. And if we scroll down, we'll have this section right here where we can put in whatever we want. So over here, you have another image. Again, click on the pencil. It's really straightforward, and I hope this tutorial just gives you an overview of how easy it is actually to create your own Squarespace website for a wedding or an engagement. So you don't really have to pay anyone thousands of dollars or however much it is to sign up for those memberships or get someone to build it for you. So this is all you need, and if you want some more help, you can contact us. We'll be happy to help you out. But if you want to do it yourself, I hope this video tutorial helps you out.